Just a few hundred miles above our planet, low Earth orbit serves as a home to satellites, the International Space Station, and soon new platforms with the help of Starlab. For a third year in a row, The Ohio State University has welcomed experts and students to explore how low Earth orbit research can solve critical challenges on Earth and in space.
We're excited to have such a diverse group of experts, researchers, and industry leaders gathered here today to explore exciting opportunities in space exploration and commercialization.
Throughout the workshop, experts discussed their research in health and design in space to create the most ideal environments for humans.
Even sleeping in a fetal position.
Marta Nowak, assistant professor of architecture, challenged her 30 architectural students with designing habitats and environments for Starlab in a studio course.
We must address fundamental questions about human requirements. What makes us feel comfortable? What makes us feel connected? What inspires us? And what we hold dearest. Addressing these interconnected challenges require radically different ways of thinking. The new experimental architectural and human-centered design strategy should be considered as paramount to creating habitable, comfortable, and supportive environments for current and future space travelers.
And so we were able to get dust from the International Space Station and incubate it under different moisture conditions.
Karen Dannemiller, associate professor of environmental health sciences, focused on air quality and mold growth in space-like environments.
These things help each other, right? Understanding how this works better in a special environment like the International Space Station or other spacecraft also helps us better understand what's going to happen here on Earth and in other specialized environments like, say, a submarine.
Dr. John Horak, professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering, said space exploration comes down to one important factor.
We're here for one basic reason. One basic reason. That's to build a better world. Because universities are perhaps the best, most powerful, and most efficient generators of new knowledge, research, and education at scale. They must play a strategic role, and they must align and integrate their efforts to help fortify other key actors, such as NASA, DoD, and the commercial sector.
By connecting research in low Earth orbit to challenges on Earth, Ohio State is helping lead a new era of discovery. For Ohio State News, I'm Talia Moses.